Say Bawumia kremoni enti mo sorry etia no. Meeting remember you know her. I'm just telling you people. You should be ashamed of yourself. If Ashawo is a thing of a shame, you should be ashamed of your flag bearer. I'm saying it with my full chest. I listened to the audio and I was appalled. When I sign, Munina, say Bawumia kremoni. And we shouldn't sit down for a Muslim to be a president. Oh, fui. Some of the things I have heard on tape. Mo pay your offering at JDR. You preach unity. Nah. Who feels all my
sometime now, a year or my penny that John Mahama and you're meeting with the clergy and the empire and your ma and one namwa. They say, oh, yeah. And no, and I'm so, and my queen afiaschwarzneggar ba. Obi be key say audios be wo baby suffer be air gange against Dr.Bawumia.
I listened to the audio and I was appalled. When I sign, Munina, when I sign, Bible says we should live in harmony. We should live in one accord. Bawumia ye kremoninti. They say, baby, I could do no. You people are ganging up against him because he's a Muslim. Hey! Number two Muslim in pana. Maybe so.
Let's talk GH rumors and any first timer. Or pop into my video and let's say over subscribe the money. Or click on notification bell and said there. Any upload be about sabit to me, I can share. I'm a for other share. No one like it. Don't forget say any comments be will be answer. Will be just our comment section ho. Mommy. Now, yenim someone penny that John Mahama say on the flag bearer edema NDC among your corner. Any meeting with the clergy or ye be wa cra. Wabe bi okumase ni asofo kuda makese na eja oni omwane uhu se asofo bi hyenkom nyankopon se eyo mampanyi dada John Mahama wo se freni biem ene ensem bebre ene media ne so de eso aye butubutu pa so obia e ka ne de queen afiaschwarzneggar ba ene o kasa yie ne kasa ne nyina mu ne se eye Dr. Bawumia a ono and a presidential candidate edema NPP no asofo kukudama mu Ghana nye nkitikiti no nye one man churches nye sofo bi otin fichire ekukudam no omakuhia ye meeting a omo nsem ni nyina ne say oye Muslim enti no omo gange up against him said e be ya untimi me president e wo Ghana
say Bawumia kremoni enti mo sorry etia no meeting remember what you know her. I'm just telling you people. You should be ashamed of yourself. You all should be ashamed of yourselves. You all should be ashamed of yourselves. As of one amako shiana, my meeting said because Bawumia ye kremoni and Timon sorry tiano. You should be listen. You know what the Bible says. One thing I've come to learn, one thing I've come to understand. If you want God to fight for somebody, gang up against that person. If you want God to fight for somebody, gang up against that person. And to Ghana, so for na moko meeting say, Bawumia ye kremoni na momo ma kremoni ni moso dan kremoni obedi moso. You should be ashamed of yourselves. You should fucking be ashamed of yourselves. Momo makremoni ni moso. Na mo nyame ni pa mo ye hwan. Mo nyame ni pa momo makremoni ni moso. Mo Samo kwa musi nyame afra mu akromfo semo. Mo kwa musi nyame afra mu akromfo te semo. Akromfo te semo. Mo kwa musi nyame afra mu. So for Papa Ben no dignity, Papa Ben ya wo bu de wo Papa Ben ya wo so de na sorry ene na politics mu. Asofo na mako gange etia Bawumia no. Asofo na mako gange no mesi nyame mama pom mu da. Bible say ejito fe gina tuo ye nkwase asem na mo. Bible say ejito fe na gina tuo eye nkwase asem na mo. Mo gange ne nyina da. There is no gang up. There is no gang up. I listened to the audio and I was appalled. When I sign, Munina, when I sign, mo ho ye me time mo ho eye me time. Bible says we should live in harmony. We should live in one accord. Bawumia ye cremoninti. They say baby akoduru no. You people are ganging up against him because he's a Muslim. Hey! Number two Muslim nyeni pana. Bible say Muslim nyeni pana. And kamofo nyeni pa bi mo. And kamofo nyeni pa bi. Hey! You should be ashamed of yourself. Adofo moti asofo mpanyimfo bi a omudi wo sa meeting we mu you will tie your no. Enya one man churches no. These are great men of God. These are great. Yeah, because the fathers of the land. You should be ashamed of yourself. Some of you. Say Bawumia a cremoni. And we shouldn't sit down for a Muslim to be a president. And to so man cremofo na benena so. Really? And cremofo dey no me Ghana for. Honestly. And cremofo on me the sala 1 year. You see, you people are so selfish. Yeah, my how many days? Ye di bronya 25th, 26th, 27th. Ya bedi New Year 31st, 1st. Ya bedi Easter 4 days akamo. Ye di bronya 25th, 26th, 27th. Companies be quite the 28th come. Ye we are ni bedi Easter, Good Friday, Saturday, Easter Sunday, Easter Monday. I come what you're saying. But we are a young we are there. Oberman and come for with this Salah 2 days. Salah, Abros on 2 days. Your mom, I'm saying mom 1 day holiday, people. I'm saying mom 1 day holiday, people. And for men of God, to go and gang up against somebody because he's a Muslim. Hey. And that reminds me of Hela Leman. Hey, you people should be ashamed of yourself. You people should be ashamed. You should be ashamed of the altar. You should be ashamed. What the fear come altar? Make catch your money. And if you're a Muslim watching me, sit up. Sit up because it's appalling. It's insulting. Say I'm too abama. And my macromony with dear son or benenam your so. What did yang? And then Bawumia be a president. Suddenly, young Christmas holiday bill. Or no, but we on a true constitution of Ghana. And I end the Easter bill. And I say, we changes or no, but we are a president in change somebody Salah 1 week. More new. Some of the things I have heard on tape. I just want to ask you, Bawumia is president and so will it be the end of the world for him? You people should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Now, Bible says you told Virginia to including that plot. The gang up that you people have gang up that Bawumia won't be a president because of your criminal. Sit down. Give to us Empress gift in no say watch me. Mo ready nya me be. Mo amunya nkopon no. Mo ready oba be. You should be ashamed. The gang up against that man, it's appalling. It's appalling. Mo pay your offering at JDR. You preach unity. Nah. You na ya de ba ko nya mi anim. Na eno mo pay collection at JDR. Sa for the one am body a. Sa for the na mo bona laji bi wo man temo no wo ska dia. Enkan hadwen. Sa mo kwa ko fa laji am na ba be chairman wa sorry dem. No nje na hadwen o. You people should be ashamed of you. I'm telling you. I'm a Christian, so I have all the rights to call you to order. Mo ba for ready enye moni. Ha dwene kra. Se me kwa kofa malam bi imam bi alaji bi amna ba be ye den. Abe chairman. Ha dwene. But edu amanyosem dia mo makremoni ni. Kremoni be di mo so mo me say mo hwe de nyame ba be ye Bawumia mo. Mo fu mani hwe de nyame be ye Bawumia. Morem. Try it. Then I say it with my full chest. As my can meet me, say me bo. Say me Ashawo, me Ashawo nche John Mahama. Cause me worry me fam you konechi nkodi will be da. And I make catch me worry ye. Me fam you konechi ni kotie. O weti me abose aduani bi. Adwe no na. Yam to aso. Ti de me kuso am
Ebziana said ye Queen afiaschwarzneggar no nenie say watutu bi amane omo ankasa wo say wo fere kura mo because Muslims nso eye nipa enti ne senti ede enti na obetena se na wakase umma obi meye president because of say eja oye belonging to different religion wo de no one wo nkosom esom baako ene ni bo afuye se eye no kre se enye no kre wunyamfa audio ni ma out ene odi audio ni beba out ntino medi mani edi atwi any update bi afri ho ba beside beba abesom mo meka mo se ye beto aba nti yembo yasumdwe no ho ban even after the elections because Ghana de ye yasumdwe man medin ede na neke asanto makram